see together how to backup and restore database on Odoo 13. So let's open /web /database /manager and enter. So this is my database, call it test, but before let's check the data. So for example, let's see the project. I have 3 projects: monitor, mouse, keyboard. So let's go back to web /database /manager. So first we will create a backup. So just choose the database and click on backup, and backup, click here. So waiting for localhost to download, and the database was downloaded. So let's delete this database, and now we will restore. So /web database /manager. We have 0 database now. So it asks you to create database or restore database. For this I click on restore database. I will call it test restored database, and choose file. We will give him the file which we had do the backup, which is called test plus the dot, and click on continue. So this database is a copy, sure, and waiting for the restoration of database. So it is easy, just we create the backup and then we will restore. This just 2 steps. So waiting for the restoration of database. It can take a time when you have a lot of number of data. And this is the database restored. So let's click and log in. Raise password. And that's all. So let's now check the project. We have 3 projects and 1 quotation. And this is the 3 projects. So the backup and restoration database was successful. So when you restore, the password stay the same. For this I had to connect with admin plus the old password. So that's all. This is how to backup and restore database on Odoo 13. Thank you for watching, and please like and comment. Goodbye.